Hey guys, in this episode I wanted to share with you some differences that I found in some of the AUTOONE light bulbs. AUTOONE reached out. They've got a new 20 series bulb available. It's a nice upgrade for the Chevy truck. We have in the past reviewed the 13S series. We ran into some issues with it where it wouldn't quite fit our application. However, they've got a 20 series out, and I'm going to show you the differences real quick between the two before I show you what it looks like. These are our 13S series. These are our 20 series. Now, this is an original OEM bulb. That's what an original OEM bulb looks like. We ran into issues that had some trouble. They wouldn't quite fit. They were hitting on the edges. The new upgraded 20 series, however, you guessed it, they look almost identical. In fact, they claim identical measurements. So they'll fit right in there, no problem. That's a huge upgrade. And you can see both kits came with gloves. This one came with some zip ties and some double-sided sticky tape. The 13 series also comes with the canvas ready adapters built in. So if you're sensitive on that, that's going to take care of it. However, these will work in about 98% of all the vehicles that have canvas. I do want to point out this is a 12,000 RPM fan. This is a 20,000 RPM fan. This one, 13 series, is equipped with an automatic thermostatic control system, where this one is not. Apparently, the upgrade does not need that. One difference that I should point out, advertised lumens. Before, advertised lumens, I told you about this one before, and it was 32,000 lumens, which is just off the charts high, versus 24,000 lumens. They're both advertised right on the box. They say off-road use, so that's a plus. This one says high voltage, so apparently the 13 series draws a little bit more power, and with 32,000 lumens advertised for the set, that's going to require a little bit of juice, I guess. Advertised brightness, they claim over OEM. The 20 series says 700% brighter than stock, and the 13 series claims 900% brighter than stock. That's phenomenal either way. It's going to be super bright. All that's left to do is to put them in, wait till it gets a little bit darker. We'll get some video footage so that you can compare them for yourself. And let me know what you think down in the comments. Which balls do you prefer and why? Thanks for watching. Now that is really bright. And these are the new 20S series that go in here. These are the new design. They fit right in just like the factory OEM. Wow, that's really bright. Again, here's the 20S series on the garage door. Guess it looks like I need to do a little adjusting on the driver's side there, but quite a bit difference in brightness level, I think. Here's the high performance 13S series from AUTOONE. And these things are extremely bright as well. And here they are on the garage door. All right, so you tell me what you think down in the comments below. But the passenger side is the new 20 series. The driver's side is the 13S series. Man, are these things bright. And, you can say, oh, it's the angle. I don't know. I think the the new 20 series is brighter, in my opinion. Just putting them right on there. That's just how I'm seeing it. I don't know. Now I'm thinking that the one on the driver's side, that the 13S series, is brighter. I don't know. You let me know your opinion down in the comments below.